Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start with 5 minutes of long tones at a comfortable pitch. Play steady whole notes at a soft dynamic while focusing on even airflow and a centered tone. Breathe low into the diaphragm between phrases. Buzz the mouthpiece alone for 5 to 10 minutes to reconnect air and embouchure, keeping lips relaxed and consistent. Stand or sit with a straight back and relax shoulders for posture and breath support, aligning the instrument for a straight airstream and efficient finger movement before advancing to valves or higher registers. Practice 2-octave major scales slowly with a metronome at 60 to 80 BPM. Play each scale with clear articulation, consistent tuning, and slurred then tongued repetitions, aiming for even tone across registers. Use lip slurs and arpeggios to rebuild range and flexibility for 10 to 15 minutes, moving through first to third valve combinations and back, keeping throat open and tongue relaxed. Increase tempo by 5 BPM only after consistent clean articulation and steady tuning. And limit focused practice to 20 minutes on core technical work to avoid fatigue and cement improvements. Break sessions into 20-minute blocks and rest to prevent embouchure strain. Work on a short etude or lyrical tune to reconnect musical phrasing, using a 10-minute sight reading or slow practice segment to regain style and memory. Flush the horn with warm water and mild soap weekly to prevent corrosion and residue. Apply valve oil after washing and lubricate slides weekly, wiping moisture from the lead pipe each day to keep the instrument responsive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.